Okay, students, we'll go over problem from each side, or let's see, how many do we have on this side right here? Just 5. Okay, so number one, explain it here. Jacob bought some tickets to see his favorite singer. He bought some adult tickets, and that's why you see the letter A for adult, and some children's. Use the same letter. It starts with C. For a total of 9 tickets. That's why it says A plus C equals 9. Okay, so that should be easy to set up. The adult tickets cost $10 per ticket. So that's going to be $10 for every adult. That's why it says 10A. And children's ticket costs $8 per ticket. That's why it says plus 8C. And they spent a total, Jacob spent a total of $76. So you add them together and they equals $76. So now we have our systems of equations. In standard form, we either eliminate, use the elimination method to eliminate the C's or the A's. Let's say we're going to eliminate the C's. Common denominator between 1 and 8 is 8. Since that already has a positive 8, we want this one to be negative 8. So negative 8C plus 8C is 0. Okay, so then we have negative 8A plus 10A is 2A. Of course, negative 8C plus 8C is 0, eliminates them. And negative 8 times 9 is negative 72. 76 minus 72 is 4. So last step, obviously divide by 2, and you get A equals 2. So 2 adult tickets. Well, then it's easy to figure out the number of children tickets because we can plug in a 2 right there. 2 plus what equals 9? 7 children tickets. Okay, and if I want to guarantee them right, I plug into the next one. 10 times A is 20, plus 8 times 7 is 56. And does that equal 76? Yes, it does. So I can check it and guarantee I'm right. So adult, 2, children, 7. Okay, so that's exactly what you do on this side for all these problems. Again, use the letters that the words start with. T for touchdown, F for field goal. And that's why they have it there in T and F right down there. Okay, and the other side, okay, we had done this in class before. I'll start from scratch again, do it again. Okay. This one has 8, so I'll do one other one as well, maybe partway down. But let's explain the first one again. The sum, which means the answer to an addition problem. So we're adding x and another number y, so that's why it says x plus y is means equals in math 42. So that's the first equation. Second one says the difference, which means subtraction of x and y, x minus y is means equals 16. That's my second one. Now it's nicely set up that I can just add straight down and eliminates the y's. So I get 2x equals 58 divided by 2, and I get x equals 29. So x is 29. I can just plug it right in there. 29 plus what number is 42? And that's 13. I could plug that into the second equation to guarantee I'm right, and I get 29 minus 13 equals 16, and that is correct. So it's guaranteed I'm right. X is 29, y is 13. All right, let's go down, say 5. The sum of half of a number x, so that's 0.5x. Sum tells me I'm adding them. So I'm going to add it, and another number y is 54. The difference of x and y, so difference again is subtraction. X minus y equals 18. Remember, is equals. Okay, just read what it says and write it down. Okay, now I can add straight down and it eliminates the y's. So I get 1 plus 0.5 is 1.5. All right, 1.5x, and I add straight down here, I get 72. Okay, and I can divide by 1.5 on each side. Okay, and do that in a calculator, or I can change 1.5 to 3 halves, and then I go ahead and multiply by the reciprocal. Since I don't want to use a calculator, So obviously those cancel out to 1x equals 3 goes into 72 24 times, and 24 times 2 is 48. So x is 48. And I have 48, let's plug in the second one, 48 minus what number gives me 18? That is 30. 48 minus 30 is 18. Okay, and there's my answer right there. All right, so that's all you're doing on either side, just translating into equations and solving your systems of equations like we just got done quizzing on today. Okay, and